Hello, grade 6 students. Welcome to our lesson today. Our lesson today is Project Part 1 from Module 9. You can find this lesson in Students Book page 109 and Workbook page 95. And as usual, don't forget to bring your pen or pencil and a blank sheet of paper to write down your notes. And as usual, let's start with our learning objectives, or what we will learn today. Today we will, number 1, read a poster to answer 5 WH questions using scanning. Identify the feature of a poster. Now let's start with the text on page 109. What kind of text is it, do you think? Is it a story? Is it an email? Is it a passage about something? Is it informational text or? Excellent. It is a poster. What is the title of the poster? Great. Life experiences. It talks about this boy life experiences. Okay, let's read the instructions we have at the top. Below is a poster that Tom has made about his life experiences so far. Now let's read the question we need to answer here. Has he tried scuba diving before? This is the question we need to read and answer. So now let's read the poster and answer this question. Has Tom tried scuba diving before? Good job, everyone. Yes, we can find the answer to this question right here at the bottom of the poster. He wrote, I haven't tried scuba diving, and we can see this in the picture. Great, so the correct answer is no, he hasn't tried scuba diving yet. Well done. Good job, everyone. Now we are going to read this poster again and find the answer to these 4 questions. So pause the video and try to read the questions carefully and find the answer to these questions in the poster. Now let's check our answers. Question number 1. What is the poster mainly about? So the question is asking about the main idea of the poster. Where can we find about the main idea? Excellent. In the title of the poster and the headings. So the poster is talking about the boy's life experiences, Tom's life experiences, the things he has done so far and the things he hasn't done yet. Good job. Let's move to question number 2. Which country has Tom traveled to? Pay attention to the key words in the question, the word country and travel to. Yes, we can find this piece of information in the left part because the question had the word has. So I'm asking about the things he has done. Okay? And it's about a place, a country he traveled to. On the left part of the poster, he wrote, I have traveled to the UK. So the correct answer, he has traveled to the UK. And let's do the same with question number 3. Read the question carefully and pay attention to the keyword. Which animal hasn't Tom ridden yet? Animal, I ask about animal. And the word hasn't is the keyword as well, because I will find this piece of information on the right part of the poster, the things he hasn't done yet. Well done. So the correct answer is he hasn't ridden a camel. Good job. The last question we have here is, has he tried skiing? We can find this from the picture. Which picture or which part talks about skiing? Excellent. The last part in the poster. He wrote, I have tried skiing. So this piece of information is on the left side, the things he has done so far. So the correct answer, yes, he has tried skiing before. Well done. Good job, everyone. Now let's move to workbook page 95, activity number 1. Look at the poster and write the missing information. But before we start, let's go to the title of the poster, or what is the poster about? Excellent. It's about Granddad Joe's life experiences, the same as the one we have read in the student's book. And it is divided into 2 parts as well. The things on the left, the things he has done so far, and on the right, the things he hasn't done yet. But now, which tense did he use on the left, the things he has done so far? Can you notice which tense did he use here? Excellent. He used the present perfect simple, affirmative form. How can we form this tense? Excellent. We use have or has plus pp, or the past participle of the verb. So to complete the sentences on the left, we need to find the past participle for the verbs given. Let's look at the right part of the poster. The things he hasn't done yet. Which tense did he use here? Excellent. It's the same, present perfect simple, but the negative form, hasn't or haven't, plus the past participle. So let's do number 1 here as a model. Number 1, B. Niagara Falls. First, to answer the questions correctly, we have to pay attention to the verb be and to find the past participle of the verb be before we start to answer. Excellent, it's been. So let's form a sentence. We talk about Granddad Joe's, so the sentence will start with he. So he has been to the Niagara Falls. Now let's do number 2 on the right part. Catch really big fish. Again, we have to pay attention to the verb catch. Excellent. The past participle for the verb catch is caught. So he hasn't caught a really big fish. Excellent. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and do the rest by yourself and check your answers when you come back. Now, let's check our answers. Number 3, swim Atlantic Ocean. Well done. He has swum in the Atlantic Ocean. Number 4, travel India and ride elephant. It is in the right part of the poster, so the things he hasn't done, negative form. Well done. He hasn't traveled to India and he hasn't ridden an elephant. Number 5, try sushi. Great, he has tried sushi. It is about the things he has done. The last one, ride hot air balloon. It is again on the right part, so the things he hasn't done. He hasn't ridden in a hot air balloon. Good job, everyone. Well done. Now let's go back to Students Book page 109. We will learn how to make a poster. First, we need to bring a sheet of paper and write the title for our poster at the one in the Students Book. My Life Experiences poster in the middle of the sheet. Next, you will add a photo if you like. After that, divide your poster or your sheet of paper into two halves. The one on the left, we will write the things I have done so far. So write the heading things I have done so far on the left. On the right, write the heading things I have done yet. Now, after we wrote the title and the headings, let's look at what we will do next. On the left, make a list of the things you have done so far. On the right, make a list of the things you haven't done yet. And now let's look at these two lists and underline all the verbs here. Now let's look at these sentences and underline all the verbs. Number one, I have traveled to the UK. Excellent, the verbs have traveled. The second one, I haven't traveled to China. Well done, haven't traveled are the verbs. Now stop the video for a while and do the same for the rest and check your answers. Back again, let's check our answers. In sentence number 2, have seen are the verbs and haven't seen on the right. Sentence number 3, have ridden, and in sentence number 3 on the right, haven't ridden. Sentence number 4, have met and haven't met on the right. Sentence number 5, have tried, excellent, and haven't tried on the right. Well, now let's look at all the sentences. What do you notice here? What are the tenses used in this poster? Excellent. On the left, we use the present perfect simple affirmative sentences. And on the right, we have used the present perfect simple but the negative form. So now it's your turn to do the same when you write the poster. Now let's summarize what we have done so far. Bring a sheet of paper and divide it into two halves. Write the title at the top of the sheet. The title is My Life Experiences Poster. You can stick a photo of yours if you like. On the left, write things I have done so far and write a list of the things you have done in your life. On the right, make a list of the things you haven't done yet and put the heading things I haven't done yet. Remember to use the present perfect simple affirmative on the left and the present perfect simple negative form on the right. At the end of our lesson today, I would like to thank you all, and I hope you enjoyed your lesson today. Have a good day.